Hello beautiful people, let's make palm oil rice, Nigerian native rice. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. First, let's parboil the rice we'll be using for this recipe. As soon as it shows the first signs of boiling, I'm going to take it off from the heat and we're going to wash this till the water runs clear. One thing with this recipe is that this rice is very delicious. It never remains whenever I make it here at home. And here we'll be blending some tomatoes, peppers, and shombo, and in a dry pan on heat I added in palm oil. We will not allow this palm oil to bleach because we don't want to change the colors of the rice. We'll just allow it sizzling a little bit so that comic taste of palm oil will not be there. We brought in chopped onions and we're going to fry this for about a minute or two for the onions to release its flavors into the oil. And I brought in iru. This is a game changer for this palm oil rice. It gives a distinct taste to this rice. And I brought in the blended ingredients and we're going to fry this for about 5 minutes. The more you fry this, the more it intensifies the flavors. You have to keep stirring this so that it doesn't burn. You can see the oil sizzling on top. That is to tell you that we'll fry this well enough. And we came in with the ground crayfish and some black chili pepper. We'll also stir this in. Now I brought in salt and I brought in some seasoning cubes. We'll also break this in so that no one is chewing on your seasoning cubes. We'll also stir in. Here I brought in chopped kpomo. I've washed this kpomo very clean with hot water and with salt so there is no smell in it, there is no dirt in it, there is no sand in it. We'll also stir this in to soak up all the ingredients. And now I came in with washed and deboned banla fish and catfish. You can use any fish you desire, but these two fish, when smoked, gives a very distinct taste to this palm oil rice. I'll cover the pot for about a minute for this to sizzle in, and here it's ready. I added in a little water initially and I brought in the parboiled rice. I want to know the extent of water to add and we'll stir this in. I had to top it water to be at the same level with the rice. Remember that we'll parboil this. The water being at the same level with the parboiled rice will make it to cook and not be soggy, though some people prefer soggy rice for their native rice. And now it's time to check for our salt and seasoning. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add in little per time and adjust as you cook along. And we're going to cover this and we are cooking on medium heat to allow the water to dry. And after about 10 minutes, the water has dried and the grains of rice are tender now. I brought in scent leaves. Scent leaves also is a game changer for this concoction rice. We've built up lots of amazing local flavors for this rice, and we'll cover this for about 30 seconds for the scent leaf to just sizzle in and our rice is ready. I hope you learned a thing or more from this video. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. Homemade recipes are the best and every meal is possible in your kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.